We want to begin tonight with that major news from the U.S. Supreme Court. The justices agreeing to consider whether Donald Trump must stand trial over charges he plotted to overturn the 2020 presidential election. The former president has claimed that he's entitled to absolute immunity because he was president at the time. Well, a lower court has rejected that. And today we learned that the highest court in the land, acknowledging the historic importance of this case, will hear arguments the week of April 22nd. That's a little less than 2 months from now. And this sets the stage for a landmark ruling on presidential power. And just to give you some context, that week that the court will hear these arguments, Donald Trump is expected to be sitting in a New York City courtroom for the criminal trial related to his alleged hush money payments to porn star Stormy Daniels. CBS's Scott MacFarlane joins us now, and he's covered January 6th closer than anybody. Scott, this is a significant development.
Yeah, Nora, today's decision means we can expect a blockbuster ruling by this summer, a ruling that could upend the 2024 election.
The Supreme Court set the stage for landmark arguments in 2 months. Its order tonight says it will hear arguments the week of April 22nd into whether, and if so, to what extent, does a former president enjoy presidential immunity from criminal prosecution for conduct alleged to involve official acts during his tenure in office.
We've never been here before. We've never had a president who was criminally charged. And they're asking a fairly straightforward question. Does a president enjoy absolute immunity from criminal prosecution based on official acts?
The decision delays indefinitely the trial involving Trump's efforts to overturn the 2020 election. With a Supreme Court decision not expected until May or June, it could endanger chances to hold the trial here in Washington before the 2024 election.
As a president, you have to have immunity.
Trump faces 4 felony charges, including conspiracy and obstruction for allegedly plotting a scheme to defy voters and hold on to power.
We're going to walk down to the Capitol.
And special counsel Jack Smith has argued Trump used the riotous attack on the Capitol by his supporters as a further tool to do so.
The central cause of January 6th was one man, Donald Trump. None of this would have happened without him.
His appeal claims he's immune from prosecution because the alleged acts were official acts he took while president. It was rejected promptly by Judge Tanya Chutkin, who said presidents don't have get-out-of-jail-free cards. Then it was rejected again this month by a Washington, D.C. appeals court.
Though it was rejected, the argument has succeeded in delaying this trial. The arguments at the Supreme Court set for the week of April 22nd. That's the week we projected jury deliberations in a Trump D.C. trial. Nora, no comment from special counsel Jack Smith tonight.
All right, Scott MacFarlane, thank you.